Welcome to today's lesson. This is Form 3 Mathematics, a quick revision on mixtures. But before we begin, for those who have just bumped onto this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe, hit the notification bell below so that anytime we do a video like this, you'll automatically be notified. Thank you and welcome. We go straight to a question on the board, which is under mixtures. The question reads, a solution whose volume is 80 liters is made up of 40% of water and 60% of alcohol. When X liters of water are added, the percentage of alcohol drops to 40%. A, find the value of X. Then B, 30 liters of water is added to the new solution. Calculate the percentage of alcohol in the resulting solution. Then C, if 5 liters of the solution in B above is added to 2 liters of the original solution, calculate in the simplest form the ratio of water to that of alcohol in the resulting solution for you to earn 4 marks. Let us look at the solution to this question. We have 80 liters of the solution, and the 80 liters contains 40% water and 60% alcohol. If 40% is water, we can calculate the volume of water in the 80 liters of solution. To get the volume of water, we are going to take 40%, meaning 40 over 100. We multiply by 80, and this gives us 32 liters, which is water. And to get the volume of alcohol, we are going to take 60%, that is 60 out of 100. We multiply by 80, and this one is going to give us 48 liters. We are told when X liters of water are added, meaning we had 80, we are adding X. Now the new volume of solution is going to have 80 plus X, and these are liters. So the question reads, find the value of X. But when X liters of water are added, the percentage of alcohol drops to 40%. To get the percentage of alcohol, we know the volume of alcohol is 48 liters. And the new volume of the solution is 80 plus X. And therefore, to get the percentage of alcohol or the new percentage of alcohol, we are going to percentage of alcohol, that is the new percentage of alcohol, which is now at 40%, will be equal to, we know the volume of alcohol is 48 out of the new volume of the solution, which is 80 plus X, and this will give us 40%, or simply 40 out of 100. Then from there we can be able to get the value of X by cross multiplying. If we begin from here, 40 times 80, you are going to get 3200. Then 40 times X, you get 40X. This one will be able to give us 48 times 100, which is 4800. Then from there, if we collect the like terms, 3200 and 4800 are like terms, and therefore 3200 goes to the other side. We remain with 40X, and this is equal to 4800 minus this one is 3200. Then our 40X is going to be equal to 4800 minus 3200. It is going to give us 1600. And then from there, we have our 40X is going to be equal to 1600. If we divide by 40 on both sides, this and this goes, and our X is going to be 40 liters. our X is going to be 40 liters. That is the answer for part A. So the value of X is 40 liters, and by so doing you'd have solved part A of the question. Let us move to part B. Let us move to part B of the question. Part B of the question. Part B of the question. So I want to maintain that information because it is very, very important. So B, 30 liters of water is added to the new solution. Calculate the percentage of alcohol in the resulting solution. The new volume now, because we have added 30 and we had 80, we added 40 and now we are adding 30, meaning the total new volume is going to be equal to 150 liters. Now, find the percentage of alcohol in the resulting solution. Percentage of alcohol will be equal to, the volume of alcohol was 48 initially. We divide by the total new volume, which is 150, everything multiplied by 100, and this one is going to give us, that is 48 out of 150 times 100, and this one is going to give us 32%. This gives us 32%, and that is the answer to this question. Going down to our part C, if 5 liters of the solution in B is added to 2 liters of the original solution, calculate in the simplest form the ratio of water to that of alcohol in the resulting solution. Let me wrap this part here so that we can be able to work out that question there. So we have part C. We have part C here, and let me just move this way. We have our part C here, and before we move on, we had 80, and this 80 had 40% water and also 60% alcohol. Now, if 5 liters of the new solution in B, and we know the new solution in B is 150 liters, but out of 150 we are only taking 5 liters. We need to know the percentage of alcohol in 5 liters and the percentage of water in the 5 liters. But we know the solution in B is 32% alcohol, meaning if we have 150 liters and from here we are only taking 5 liters, we need to calculate the volume of alcohol in 5 liters and the volume of water in the 5 liters. Now, volume of alcohol, we know the new percentage of alcohol is 32%, that is 32 out of 100 times 5, and this gives us what? So it is 32 divided by 100, we multiply by 5, and this gives us 1.6 liters. Then we need to calculate the volume of water in 5. Since the percentage of alcohol is 32%, it means the percentage of water is 68% times the 5 liters, and this gives us, we have 68% times 5, this gives us 3.4 liters. That is 5 liters of the solution in B above they were added to 2 liters of the original solution. Then now, the original solution was 80 liters, but out of 80 liters, we are only taking 2 liters. And we need to know the volume of water in this new volume. We also need to know the volume that is occupied by alcohol. To get the volume of water, in 2 liters of the solution, we know initially we had 40% times the 2 liters, and this gives us 0.8 liters. And we also need to know the volume of alcohol in the 2 liters of the solution. And to know the volume of alcohol is 60% of the 2 liters, and this gives us what? We have 60% times 2, which gives us 1.2 liters. Then from here, we need now total volume of water. Total volume of water is going to be equal to, initially in 5 we have 1.6, we add the 0.8, and this one is going to give us, we have 1.6 plus 0.8. This gives us this is the volume of alcohol. This is the volume of alcohol. The volume of water is 3.4 plus the new volume of water in 2 liters, which is 0.8, and this gives us 4.2 liters. Then we need total volume of alcohol. The total volume of alcohol is going to have 1.6 plus, here we have 1.2, and this one is going to give us 2.8 liters. Now, volume of water, because what we need to calculate is in the simplest form, the ratio of water to alcohol. Now, water to alcohol is going to be equal to 4.2 to what we call 2.8. If we multiply by 10 so that we had made the decimal point, we are going to have 42 to 28. The common factor between the two is 6. 42 by 6, it's 7. 42 by 7, we have 6. 28 by 7, we are going to have 4. And this one simplifies to be, the common factor between 6 and 4 is 2. Then 6 by 2, you have 3. And 4 by 2, you have 2. And that is the simplest ratio in which water and alcohol are existing.